This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. Our next example is to look at the equation for a circle x minus 7 squared plus y squared equals 3, and we're asked to determine whether the point 8 minus 1 is inside, on, or outside the circle. So once again, we'll take our point and we'll substitute the values given by the point, x and y, into the left-hand side of our equation. So instead of x minus 7, we'll have 8 minus 7 squared plus y squared will be minus 1 squared, and that will be equal to 8 minus 7 is 1 squared, minus 1 squared is 1, so that's just 1 plus 1, which is 2. And then we ask if that is less than, equal to, or greater than our right-hand side which in this case is 3. So in this case, 2 is less than 3. So if 2 is less than 3, we have our left-hand side less than our right-hand side. Therefore, the point 8 minus 1 lies inside the circle. Next, I'm just going to do one question at higher level where we are asked to investigate if the point 5, 4 lies inside, on, or outside the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y minus 15 equals 0. So again, we'll just fill in our values. So we are told that x in our case is going to be 5, y is going to be 4. So we substitute those values in everywhere we see an x and a y. So y is 4, x is 5, filling those values in and simplifying our down. We want to have, if it's on the circle, we want this to be equal to 0, so we'll just work through our left-hand side. So 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16, 2 times 5 is 10, minus 6 times 4 is minus 24, and we still have our minus 15. Adding all those values together, we get the value of 12, which is greater than 0, so therefore the point 5, 4 lies outside the circle given. Next, a slightly different question. We're told that the circle x squared plus y squared plus ax minus 2y minus 15 equals 0 contains the point P at x equals minus 6, y equals 5, and we are asked to find the value of a. So if a circle contains a point, then we can say that if we fill in x equals minus 6, our x value, and y equals 5, these two values should satisfy this equation. So filling in those two values, the only unknown that we will have left is our unknown a here. So if we work out everything else, so minus 6 squared being 36, 5 squared is 25, minus 6 times a is minus 6a, Minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. Minus 15 stays as it is. Bring the letters to one side, so leave minus 6a on the left. Bring all of these numbers, simplify, and bring all these numbers to the right, and we're left with minus 36 over here, which means dividing by both sides by minus 6, we get a is equal to 6. So that's a slightly different question where we're told that a circle contains a point and asks to find an unknown value in the equation.